Our unpredictable tropical cruise. Last week, my friends and I went on a tropical cruise to get away from our busy lives. The weather was unpredictable, so we didn't know what to expect. Our ship's deck had a small area where I loved sitting on my chair to enjoy the ocean view. Our cabin was a bit bigger and had a balcony. Sam was worried about his sunburn from the day before, so he stayed in the shade. Maria, on the other hand, was taking care of her skin with sunscreen. We didn't follow our itinerary very well because the weather kept changing. Sometimes the sky was clear and other times it was stormy. Their plans to swim every day didn't work because of the rain. During the trip, we talked about our favorite places to visit and shared stories about our families. I showed Sam pictures of my siblings, and Maria told us about her new job. On the last day, the sun was shining, so we all went out on the ship's deck to enjoy the warm weather. As we watched the beautiful sunset, Sam showed us his favorite spot on the island from a photo he took earlier. Maria smiled and shared her dreams about traveling more. Suddenly, a group of dolphins appeared near our ship, jumping and playing in the water. It was an amazing surprise that made our hearts full of joy. Looking at my friends, I realized how lucky I was to share this unpredictable adventure with them. This trip wasn't just about the places we saw, but about our friendship and memories that will last forever. As the stars came out, we promised to plan our next getaway soon, because life's best moments are the ones we share together.
Like and subscribe to the channel.